So I've got to be honest with you, it's been a while since I've properly been out for a ride. Most of my riding is to and from work, and when I'm not doing that, I'm in the garage. I have to change that though. I miss it. And plus, the Marin Man has got me to sign up to a gravel ride in Wales. I need the practice. Unfortunately, I don't have the mountains of Wales to show you around, but I thought I'd take you on a trip today. A 20-mile ride around the canals, picking up a puncture and stopping off at the local bike shop for a coffee and a tube. It was a nice day for biking.
I almost made it as well.
It's all XTR as well. 8-speed first gen. Yeah, it's first gen.
Wow. Is that group set's what, 30 years old?
Yeah, 94. 93, sorry, that bike.
Wow.
Cheers, Lee. For anyone who doesn't know, at the start of lockdown 2020, I came here with my comp rather than the team and got locked in the woods. It's used a firing range over the back, so they close it whenever they're firing, and yeah, they closed it up when I was inside before it was meant to shut, so I had to climb over this gate and got skewered on those a little bit and ripped my shorts.